Hey guys, in continuation to our previous methods on tuple, today we'll check into the count method. Now, what count method in tuple does is it returns the number of times an object occurs in tuple. Yeah. So it will give you the count or an integer which is returned when you run this method. Yeah. So let's quickly jump on to an example. Suppose you have a tuple 1, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I am checking for an occurrence of 3 in this tuple. Yeah. So let me store it to a count variable and then I'll print it. So print number of runs of 3 in tuple 1 is can see it is occurring 1. Suppose I have this tuple 3 number occurring multiple times. Can see? So the number of occurrence it has in the tuple will be shown as a count with this particular method. Now, so even if the items in the tuple contains expression, they will be evaluated to obtain the count. So what happens is if there are items in tuple which are expressions, for an example, tuple 1 has, let me get some expressions. So I have this number, I divide 20, I have 20 divided by 40 or 80. Yeah, I have this decimal called 0.25. I have 40. I have 10 divided by 40. Yeah, or I have a number 40. Yeah. So let's see if I want to check how many times 0.25 occurs in the about tuple. By just having a look at it, you can see 0.25 is occurring only once. But let's see the output. Oh, it is showing me 3. Is it wrong? No. Why? Because count get evaluated only after the expressions are resolved. So there are expression that is 10 divided by 40, that is again 0.25, 20 divided by 80, which is again 0.25. So automatically this tuple is evaluated to, so if I print this tuple before running the print method, it is automatically evaluated. The expressions are automatically evaluated to give you the answers. So you can see here, the tuple had these expressions, but when you try to print the tuple, the expressions are evaluated to its value. Hence, when you counted the tuple for a particular value, it searched for this tuple which had the expressions already evaluated. Yeah. So count method is usually used to count the number of elements within a tuple, that is number of occurrence of an element within a tuple. Hope you understood how to use this count method and hope you liked this video. Do like, share and comment on the video if you have anything on your mind which you want to showcase or send a feedback to us. Do subscribe to my channel to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.